Hey, welcome back to SRE. I just wanted to show you that I have changed the cylinder head and how the wj71 is bolting onto the scope pod now. I hope you can see that with the throttle linkage and stuff now. Big John, I'm trying to work out all the details for you. You can see I've tilted the carburetor now so the pulse line doesn't have to be run under and through that top tranny plate. This is the new pipe. Like I said, that's coming along nice. I'll give a run video tomorrow, sound clip, get it running. I'm just seating the ring in for you, Big John, and then I'll when you're ready, I'll box her up and get her coming out to you so you can test this for me and give your viewers and my viewers an honest review, Okay, guys, thanks a lot. This is SRE signing out.